I am traveling with my Osprey almost 65-liter backpack. There's nobody on this road. I was hoping to see some other trekkers, but there's nobody on this trail. No cars, nobody. I started from Le, came down here, and that's Zingchen. My plan is to go to Yurutse and then go back down to Rumbak, spend the night, and tomorrow morning my plan is to leave Rumbak, go through Stokla, which is 4,820 meters, and then go to Stok and catch a taxi back to Le. That's my plan. The weather is very nice, a little chilly, but it's very good. Better to be a little chilly than hot. It's very quiet here. No human activities, just birds and the stream sound. Rumbak village is that way, and Yurutse is up this road, about an hour away from here. Alright, I'm gonna go to Yurutse now. Yurutse should be about 30 minutes from here, that direction. Weather is very pleasant. Look at the sky, so blue. I've been walking for more than 30 minutes and it's been all uphill. Wow. It's 9:42. I believe I arrived at Yurutse. It took me an hour and 20 minutes to get here from the outskirts of Rumbak. I think that's a pretty good time. I did not take too many breaks. Yurutse Ladakh Homestay. I believe there's only one homestay in Yurutse. Wow. So scenic here, but very remote. There's nothing here. I was hoping to check out the village of Yurutse, but there's no village. Looks like there's just one building that has a homestay. That's it. I don't see anything around here as far as I can see. Wow. It's a very remote place. I thought Yurutse was a village.
No, Yurutse is only one house, one family house.
I am inside the only building in the village of Yurutse. if you can call it a village. It's just one house. The gentleman here said he lives here along with his mom. His family is in Le. Wow, look at this place. Check out the view out the window. There are no customers here at the moment. And I believe they also do some sort of farming. I don't know what's growing here. I believe this is a heater for the winter time. I can't imagine how cold it gets here during winter time. Looks good. So what is the elevation here? What is the altitude?
Yeah, 4,150 meters.
4,150 here?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I'm surprised there was a road.
Yeah.
I was expecting just trail, but I guess they're making road.
Now it's make a road, yeah.
Okay. How much is a homestay one night?
One night is 1,500
1,500 per person.
Yeah.
All right. The altitude of Yurutse is 4,150 meters. Wow, it's quite high. In comparison, there is 3,500. And the pass that I'm trying to go through tomorrow is 4,820 meters. So it's higher than here. I don't know whether I can handle the high altitude or not. I'm gonna drink some chai and get warm. Okay, this is my first meal of the day. Chapati and eggs and chai. Very simple, but I am very, very grateful to have hot food in this remote area. Came upstairs to check out the bedrooms. What are you growing here? What is that you're growing?
Barley.
Huh?
Barley.
Barley?
Yeah, barley and green peas.
I had a very nice break here. Breakfast and chai for 150 rupee. The room is 1,500 rupee per person. Thank you very much for the hospitality. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. The owner of the homestay told me he doesn't own a car. He has 3 donkeys to bring supplies up to his homestay. This is very nice. Weather is very pleasant. Not cold, not hot. Just perfect. Wow. Check out the color of the mountain. And the blue sky with some clouds. So nice. So peaceful. Ah. Would you look at that? Look at the side of the mountain. Love the colors. It's 11:58. I'm back at the outskirts of village of Rumbak. It took me about 40 minutes to get down here from Yurutse. This is the village of Rumbak. 줄래 줄래. How many people live here? How many people live here? Rumbak. How many? 20, 30, 40, 50? Rumbak. Yeah. How many people? 50? No. More? Many more. 60, 70. There are 9 homestays in the village, and cost is 1,500 per person, which includes dinner, breakfast, and packed lunch. All the homestays have same price of 1,500 rupee per person. There are no customers in this village at the moment. I am having mint tea in this beautiful house. Was it sugar?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Check out the view out the window. So peaceful, so quiet here. Okay, I'm on the second floor of the homestay. I'm going to check out the room. I will be sleeping tonight. There are mountains surrounding this house. There's a stream running right next to the house. Very nice. This hole goes directly to the area where I had tea. The dining room, I should say. This is where I wash my hands, face, everything. There's no hot water, it's just cold water, which is fine. Beautiful. Very nice. I am trying out my socks that got wet. This is the room I'm staying in. One room. This homestay is only one room, but 2 beds. It's 1,500 rupee per person. Let me show you the local style toilet. Okay, it's just a hole in the ground. The lady did give me a roll of toilet tissue paper. Let me go downstairs. That's the main door to the house. I guess this is the area where they raise their animals. Very nice.